Hey y'all, it's your girl Rosina Faye. Today we are going to be installing Unice's new Easi contour V-part. Girl looking like she about to do some karate. First, we are going to cut this little strip off because we do not need it at all. Cut that side, then I'm going to cut the other. Now I'm going to adjust the strap just so it can fit my head. I'm going to open each clip. Right here, I'm trying to figure out how I want to position the hair before I put the clips in. I'm going to put the clips in now. I did forget to show you guys that you can put the combs to the side and then clip the hair. And that's just for extra security. Like, this wig is on lockdown. It's not going anywhere, to be honest. I did have to re-clip this other side because it wasn't too close to my middle part and blending in. I pulled the drawstring and now I'm just gonna tuck it underneath my wig so it could be hidden. This is how my hair is looking in the front so far. I do feel like the parting looks a bit wide, so I'm just gonna tease the hair to blend it in and make it look more natural as possible. Going to take the end of my comb and poke it in my parting just so my hair can lift up and not look as tight. I'm gonna put my hair back just so I can slick the front of my hair and do my edges using my African Pride Black Castor Miracle Gel. After that, I decided to cut my hair and shape it to fit my face frame. Oh my gosh, y'all, once I started cutting, I could not stop. I wish I had shears, but these little scissors got the job done. Okay, I like this. It's starting to look really cute. Okay, now I'm just gonna define my curls. Put a little bit of water and some mousse. We're just gonna work it through. I feel like something's missing, y'all. Why don't we cut some bangs? looks so cute. Look at me getting my little Rick James on. Just call me Rick Kiki. After air drying for a while, this is how she looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see ya in my next one.